Hello everyone. 2026 is just round the corner. Only 1.5 months are left. And if you want to enter the new year with a bang and with a changed personality, so you can begin with today itself. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can have a spoken English practice with ChatGPT app, which is free and it is available to you 24/7. You don't have to enroll yourself in spoken English classes. You don't have to buy expensive books to learn English. Only thing, if you are looking for a spoken English partner, so Chat GPT is there. You can practice with this whenever you want at any point of the day, and you are good to go. This video is generally focused on spoken English. Otherwise, if you have to build upon your English, you have to take care of all these four skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. So, for listening, you can listen to podcasts in English, you can listen to English news, or anything that is of your interest. You can listen to that, but in English language. Then comes speaking. Every day you have to practice. Now, if you don't have any partner at home, chat GPT. I'll just show you a demonstration after a while. First, listen to me. So, how you can practice that I'll show you. Then comes reading. For reading, if you are interested in stories, you can read stories in English, novels, self-help books, magazines, newspaper, anything which is of your interest. You can read at least 10 minutes every day. You get to know many new words and you get to know the sentence structure. So, and the last is writing. Every night before going to sleep, you can write a short paragraph of 5 6 lines, that what all did you do throughout the day. It can be not a perfect English. I'm not saying that from day one your English would become perfect, but at least if you will touch upon all these four skills every day, you will surely find a difference. Within a week, you will see the difference. Now, let us start with ChatGPT, how you can speak every day. You can see the screen over here, and there are three ways you can give command. One is this box, message box. You can type anything over here. So, like if I say your name, please, and then I press enter. My name is GPT. Okay, this is one way of typing the message. If you are good at typing, you can type down whatever you want to ask ChatGPT. The other one is this voice typing. Whatever you speak, it gets typed in this message box. You press enter and it saves a lot of time because we speak faster than we type, most of us. So, what is your name? This is voice typing. What is your name? And I press enter. My name is GPT. These two ways you can give your command, whichever way you like. And the third one is voice chatting, that you can chat with GPT. So I press on this icon. Hello, GPT.
Hello, how are you today? Let me know how we can help you.
Okay, GPT, here I want to tell you that I am creating a live video for my audience who want to learn spoken English but they don't have any partner. So, can you become my partner today for practicing spoken English?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help you as a practice partner. Just let me know how you'd like to proceed and we can get started.
Two very important things. My viewers are generally at the beginner's level. For their benefit, you have to talk slowly. The second thing is that whatever vocabulary you use, that should also be till intermediate level. Okay, not very advanced because it will be difficult for them right on in the first week to understand. Slowly we'll build it up. So two things: speak slowly, keep it simple.
Got it. I'll make sure to speak slowly and keep the vocabulary simple and easy to understand. We'll build up from there as we go along. Let me know what you'd like to start with.
Can you practice with me for 1 minute? You can ask me questions so that I get a chance to speak, If I speak any sentence incorrectly or some grammatical mistake is there, you can correct me once I finish speaking and let me know what is the correct version.
Perfect. Let's do that. I'll ask you a question and you can respond. Then I'll give you feedback. Let's begin. What is one place you would love to visit and why do you want to go there?
I would like to visit mountains, and I like to go there because I belong to Uttarakhand and I like being surrounded by nature.
That was really nice. Just one small tweak. Instead of saying, I like being surrounded by nature, you can say, I love being surrounded by nature. Overall, you did really well. Keep it up.
Okay. So, friends, as you have seen how I interacted with ChatGPT and how it was responding. So, I even asked it to correct myself. I spoke a few different kinds of lines, I experimented, and then ChatGPT corrected me. So, you can also have this conversation with GPT from the comforts of your house anytime at any point of the day. Now, let's move on to the next one. What all can you ask GPT to do for you? Okay. Okay, GPT, now 2026 is round the corner and I want to become fluent in English. I want you to make a daily plan for me. What should I do in a day so that I can see some improvement in a week?
Absolutely. I'll create a simple daily plan for you to help you see progress each day. We can include speaking practice, listening, and some vocabulary building. Let's get started.
Okay. Can you teach me 5 words every day, and that also with its meaning and simple sentences which I can use that particular day in my daily conversation?
Absolutely. I'll provide you with 5 new words each day, complete with meanings and easy example sentences. That way you can incorporate them into your conversations right away. Let's make learning fun and effective.
Okay, so give me one example. Like today is the first day, and teach me the first word of the day. How can I use it in different context or in my conversation?
Of course, let's start with the first word of the day enthusiastic. It means having a lot of excitement and interest about something. For example, you can say, I am enthusiastic about learning English, or she was enthusiastic when talking about her hobbies. This way, you can use it in different contexts throughout your day.
Okay, can I say I am enthusiastic about learning English before the beginning of the new year? I'm quite enthusiastic about starting my English learning journey from today itself. Are these sentences correct?
Yes, those sentences are absolutely correct. You're using enthusiastic perfectly, and they sound natural and clear.
So, friends, you saw how I had a conversation and it can even create daily word meanings for us. It will even give us simple sentences, explain it to us, and then we can use it throughout our day. So it some words you will learn through ChatGPT, some you will be reading because you will be doing all these 4 activities: listening, speaking, reading, and writing every day. And definitely in a week you will see some remarkable difference. GPT, tell me that in a week can I see any difference and how much time should I devote every day for practicing?
Absolutely. In a week, you can definitely notice some improvement if you practice consistently. I'd
Okay.
recommend setting aside about 30 to 45 minutes each day. This can include speaking practice, listening exercises, reading and writing. Over time, that steady practice will help you see noticeable progress.
Okay, thank you for your advice. See you next time.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Looking forward to our next session. Have a great day.
So, friends, you saw that it has made a daily plan for me, and in one week you can definitely see some improvement if you continue, you stay consistent and devote at least 45 minutes each day to all these skills, and definitely you'll see some difference. So I hope this GPT session and this session was beneficial for you. And it depends that how consistent now you stay in your spoken English journey. Today is 20th of November and it's Thursday. You can start your spoken English journey from today. After a week, you can come back and write down in the comment section here that how much have you improved. So thanks for watching, friend. I hope this video was helpful to you.